Alright, the first thing here is you want to take off the antenna. So you need a pair of adjustable pliers. You can just throw those on the antenna. It literally takes maybe 1 or 2 turns and that's it. You can unscrew it by hand. It's pretty simple. It's not held on very tight whatsoever. Now when you take the antenna off, you just want to double check and see which connection you're going to use. The kit comes with 2, a long skinny one and a short fat one. Looks like with the Dodge Ram, I'm going to be using the short fat one. So we're just going to double check that, we'll pick it up, we'll throw it in there, just make sure the threads are okay. Make sure that everything works fine before we apply the Loctite. As you can see here, I took all the red Loctite off that came with it, and I'm going to put blue on here just because if I ever want to take this thing off in the future, I don't want to be wrecking it and destroying it. The last one I had, I couldn't get it off, so I used nail polish, took it off, and now I'm putting on blue Loctite, and I'll put it on the truck. Alright, now that I've got all the blue Loctite on it, I've put the screw into the actual antenna mount, and now I'm putting the bullet onto the screw. Hand tight, you don't need any tools here whatsoever, just hand tighten it on there, and make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, good to go. She's on there nice and tight. It'll take a couple hours before this Loctite dries and sets, but it looks pretty darn good, man. It turned out really, really well. This Ronin factory 50 cal bullet, it's looking pretty darn good. It's sort of accenting my my Night Edition 2020 Classic Ram here. It's just the first of many, many mods, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.